In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Binance. If you're using Binance for the first time or simply want to switch to a currency that you're more comfortable with, this video will be perfect for you. Let's dive right into it. First things first, grab your mobile device and open the Binance app. It's important to make sure you're already logged into your account. This ensures the process goes smoothly and without interruption. Once you're on the app's home screen, take a look at the upper left corner. You should see 3 horizontal lines. Tapping these lines will take you into your profile dashboard. This dashboard is essentially the gateway to all personal settings you may want to adjust within the app. Now that you're in your profile dashboard, shift your gaze to the top right corner. Here you'll find the settings icon, which is typically the last option. When you tap on this icon, you'll be directed into the General Settings section. This area controls numerous customizable aspects of your Binance experience. Within the general settings, the first thing you want to find is the currency setting. It's conveniently placed at the top of your settings list, making it easy to spot. When you tap on currency, a comprehensive list of available currencies will appear on your screen. It's as simple as that to find the currency you need. For example, if you're looking to switch to the euro, just scroll through the list until you spot it and tap on it. Once you've tapped your preferred currency, you'll automatically be taken back to the General Settings page. But we're not quite finished yet. There's another step you might want to consider to complete your currency setting customization. Look a bit further down in the General Settings for the option labeled Payment Currency. Tapping this will again present you with a list of currency choices. You'll want to select the same currency you picked earlier, or whichever one you plan to use most frequently for your transactions. For our example, you would select Euro again. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your currency settings on Binance. This adjustment can be incredibly useful depending on your location or financial preferences. Plus, it's handy if you're dealing with multiple currencies and need to adapt to the best one for your needs at any given time. Remember, you can always revisit these steps to make changes as needed. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more ways to customize your Binance experience.